Hey guys, Modern Warfare 3 Geek 100 here, making a review on the Wild Grinders Concrete Ledge. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's got like this bumps on the top and stuff to make it act like it's really grinding. It's got non-sliders and it's pull out. I just can't do it right now because I'm on the camera. But yeah, one bad part about it is when you're trying to get up onto here. It's kind of hard to get up on here because it's so small, and when you go to grind, this tips back a lot. Like, gotta get in here. It always tips back. So you're gonna have to tape it or something. But yeah, this is my second video. So please leave some comments on helping me out to make new videos. I'm new to YouTube, so Modern Warfare 3 Geek here. See you later.